Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video, and tonight's video is a little bit special because not only do I get to review this little puppy from a brilliant pick maker called DAZ Evers. He's got a YouTube channel, so if you're not already subscribed, do head over to his channel and check it out. I mean, this pick is ridiculous, really well made. The wood's lovely, the shape's brilliant and molds to your hand. The shine on it is ridiculous. It's got my fingerprints all over it, but really pleased with it. So if you're looking for picks to be made, then give Daz a shout, because they are outstanding. I mean, look at the shape on that. There's no lip there where it's being met with the wood, where the shank goes in, nothing like. So really happy, Daz. I can't thank you enough for that, mate, and I hope you enjoy your pick as much as I'm enjoying this one. So thank you very much, it's much appreciated. And also a shout out to Rob Locks 2017 for giving us my first challenge lock. It's an absolute bitch to pick. It's called the Barbarian, and that's the bitten. So hopefully I've got my secret weapon, which is Daz's pick, and I'm going to go in and try and SPP this. Right, take 5, Rob. Rob, you've done us a beauty of a locker here, mate. I know you've called it the Barbarian, and for a very good reason, mate. This is so hard to pick. It's a brilliant lock, and I'm loving every minute of it. But time's come, and I need to pick it, because it's getting late, mate. So I'm going to try picking it the other way around to what I normally do. Right. I feel like I pick with my left hand the way I'm doing it this way. I cannot do it. See if it picks better in my hand. So I am familiar with this lock. Like this is this is the 4th or 5th take I've took now, so there's say 10 minutes each video. So if it opens in good time here, just to let you know, mate, like this is a tough pick, or at least I found it a tough pick. Somebody else might find it an easy pick, but it's something a bit slimmer just to get in the back. Just seems to get to a point here when you've been picking it and you just feel like you're getting nowhere, like. But Where there's a will, there's a way. Right, we're into a false set here. So let's go and shaking some spool pins off. Just sure it's pin 4. Yeah, I've got the open. Great reach on that, mate. I love the pick. Rob, thank you very much for the lock, the challenge. I've spent time picking this bad boy. So I'm going to gut it now for you. But it is picked. The Barbarian. Get that round the right way. That's the key working nicely. Can't wait to see what's in this. I haven't got a shim, mate, I'm sorry. So it's going to be a sloppy one again, as always with my guttons. But I will keep it like that. So it's going to pop out the back. Oh, it's not going to be able to pop out the back, is it? So it's going to get stuck around there. So at the back we had one of them bad boys, then we had in 4, looks like a tapered T-pin, if that's what you call it. 3 T-pin, or a tapered, that could be called a tapered serrated T-pin if you like. And we have a very deep serrated pin. In fact, that would have been a pin in pin actually. They've just come apart. I believe that one come out of 4, which would have been a wafer. I think that's what he's calling. Another beast. A serrated pin. We have another beast of a serrated pin. The last pin is standard steel pin. That looks like a key pin actually. That's what come out of there. So they've all been threaded. I don't know how he's done that. But they all are threaded, as you can see. Key pins are as follows. I've lost a couple, but there's one. There's one. There were 2 at the front. Oh, look at them. Yeah, have all been threaded, and that one's been tampered with as well, Rob. Well done, mate. You've done a lovely job of that. I think that's what the slot was when I was turning the car. Fair play to you, mate. Let's give you a close up. So we have those as the key pins. So see if I can spin them round. Only got 10 minutes, I've got a minute left. Lovely pins they are, mate. Lovely, lovely. And then we have lovely pins on top as well, and even a pin and pin here. Very well done. Lovely, mate. Great challenge and great luck, mate. Yours is coming pretty soon. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, check out Rob Locks, and check out DAZ Evers' channel. Cheers.